At Vallourec, we don't offer job opportunities, we offer career opportunities.
If you have experience in manufacturing, we invite you to join a team that has excellent benefits and a low turnover rate at a company that is committed to the safety of their employees.
At Vallourec, we don't offer job opportunities, we offer career opportunities. Vallourec is a world leader in premium tubular solutions that is helping to make the impossible possible for our energy customers around the globe. Our code of ethics reflects our commitment to our relationships with our employees, customers, and stakeholders. The quality of our products begins with the technological leadership of our research team and ends with expert-level craftsmanship on our production lines. Our premium range of tubes are strong enough to withstand the most severe temperature and pressure. The engineering, operations, and technical skills of our workforce make us a center of excellence for pipe manufacturing and innovative solutions. Become a part of a team that is close to 20,000 strong, tackling the world's most challenging applications. Our employees benefit from over 500,000 hours of training every year, part of our commitment to delivering the best product to meet our customers' expectations.
So grab the opportunity to learn, advance, and provide for your family with a career at Vallourec.
Go to VallourecJobsOnline.com to apply today.